It has been publicly announced. And what we're doing for the National Games is that the Honorable Home Minister, when I requested him and the Chairman of the Indian Olympic Association that we would like to host the next National Games. So I was given a small condition, I should say, saying that please involve other states of the Northeast also. Let it be not just a Meghalaya story, let it be a Northeast story for the rest of the country. So we then sat down with the other states and we have given one discipline to the other Northeastern states. Except maybe I think Manipur is going to host 2, otherwise the rest of the Northeastern states are going to host one each. But we are the host city. So the host is Meghalaya only, it's just that one discipline is going to be given to different states. And there are about 36 or 38 disciplines that are there. And just to share, the construction work of all the infrastructures are taking place. We will be very much in time to host all the games that are meant for Meghalaya. And we'll be having 3 host cities, towns. So majority is in Shillong. About 20 of the disciplines will be in Shillong. About 6 disciplines will be in Tura. And about 3 or 4 disciplines will be in Jowai. So that is how we have planned it. The opening ceremony is going to be in Shillong because that's the main one. And we are obviously expecting Honorable Prime Minister at that level to come and inaugurate it. And the closing ceremony is going to be in Tura. And this is expected to be sometime in the month of February, March 2027. Obviously, we are keeping that flexible because of exams and church functions and all of those other aspects which we have to keep in mind. But that is what the update is. I just want to show you some of the pictures of the different infrastructures that are planned. These plannings, they're already being constructed.